So area of the triangle, we are going to learn the area of the triangle concept now. Is the presentation visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Is the presentation visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So area of the triangle. Actually, the formula for in the 10th class only have learned. So triangle area can be found out by using the half into base into height when the base and height is given. When the three coordinates are given to you, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So how do we find out the area of the triangle? Also we have learned. So that let us revise it once again here. So 3 points of the triangle A, B, C. The points are given to you x1 y1. So this area, how do we find out? Let us see. Okay. So area of the triangle formula is half into in the brackets x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 and square units. So this already it is there, but using the matrix determinants also you can uh, find out this area of the triangle using the concept of determinants. Suppose if you take the points as x1, y1, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, and the third column you take as a 1, 1, 1. Third column should be taken as a 1, 1, 1. So we take the one column, last column as a of the determinants. Now we have to determinant the expanding column along the first column. If you expand along the first column, what do you get? X1 into y2 minus y3 minus, yes, minus x2 actually we will get minus x2 into, in this situation we will get minus x2 into y1 minus y3 will get. But that can be written as plus x2 into y3 minus y. So this is a determinant. So whatever the it is showing to you there, here and both are same, but here we are going to half. So the area of the triangle to find out using the determinant, if you want to find out half of the determinant of the matrix obtained by taking the x coordinate as a first column and y coordinates as a second column and 1 as a third column. So let us see the one problem here, minus 2 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 2 comma minus 3. All the x coordinates should be taken in one order as a first column. Half into determinant of the matrix obtained. So area of this triangle will be the points wherever you see that the points are minus 2 comma 3, B 4 comma 4, C 2 comma minus 3. So half into first x coordinates. So 3 by 3 matrix obtained with the x coordinates as the first column, y coordinates as the second column, and third column as a 1, 1, 1. So expanding using the first column, you will get minus 2 into 4 plus 3. 4 minus of minus 3 plus 3. And minus 4 into 3 minus of minus 3 plus 3. Minus plus 2 into 3 minus 4. So a little bit, what are the points, which is x1, which is x2, instead of writing the points, better you directly solve this like this. So that the area we are going to, but area should be in positives, negative should not be there. So area of the triangle should not be written as a minus 20, because as this is an area, it should be taken in modulus. Area never be negative. So here the area of the triangle should be taken as a plus 20. So in calculating the area of the triangle using this formula, we need to take the absolute value of the determinant to avoid the negative values. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the way, means you are not supposed to write the area of the triangle. Never you write as a minus 20. Absolute value should be taken into consideration. Therefore, this area of this triangle will be equals to 20 square meters. If area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinants for the calculation. In any problem, if the area is given to you, both positive can be taken and negative can be taken into consideration. So let us see the one more problem based on this. Find the area of the triangle formed by the vertices 2, 3, 2, minus 5, 2, 0. Okay. First x coordinates, next y coordinates, next all ones. So expanding along the first column. If you want to expand third column also, you can expand. It doesn't matter. Half into 2 into. So what is done here? 2 is taken common here. 2 is taken common from the first row. So what you will get here? 1, 1, 1. First row and first column, third column are identical. Therefore, determinant of the matrix is 0. The area of the matrix is 0. So area of the determinant means area of the triangle is 0. So when the area of the triangle is 0, you can say that the 3 points are, can anyone say?
So in a line, sir.
In a line is nothing but, what word we will use in mathematics?
So in a straight line. So collinear.
Yes, the points are called collinear. See here, these 3 points, whenever you see collinear, that's why the area you got it as a 0. If you get the area of the triangle 0, then it is that the 3 points are called collinear points. Okay. In case if the area is, if the question is given that these 3 are collinear, therefore directly you can take the area as a area of the triangle as a 0. If it is question is given to you, question is given to you that the 3 points are collinear. In case 3 points are collinear, if it is given that, then you have to take like that. Okay. So let us move to the exercise questions given to you in exercise 4.3, area of the triangle, and exercise 4.3 questions also. From the textbook, whatever the questions are given, let us discuss the questions right now. Okay. So the questions in exercise 4.3 is given that first question, find the area of the triangle with the vertices given below. So one question I will explain to you. The remaining two questions you try to do it. It is an easy task to you. Third question you see, minus 2 comma minus 3, minus 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 8. So area of the triangle, if you want, you can consider these points as the ABC, triangle ABC you can write, which is equals to half into the determinant of the matrix obtained by taking the x coordinate as a first column, minus 2, 3, minus 1, minus 3, 2, minus 8. Here 1, 1, 1. Determinant finding only. Just you have an absolute value should be taken into consideration. It's called completely absolute value. A complete as a modulus. That is modulus. This is not modulus. Inside lines are not modulus. That is determinant. So we are going to get it as a minus 2 into 2 plus 8. Minus 2 into this row, this column is deleted, 2 plus 8. Minus 3 into minus 3. This row and column is deleted. Minus 3 plus 8 we are getting. Minus 1 into this row and column is deleted. Minus 3 minus 2 we are getting. So what is we are going to get? 1 by 2 into, in the brackets here, minus 20. This is 5. 5 is a 15, minus 15. This is minus 5. So plus 5 we are going to get it. So what is the answer we are going to get it? 50 minus 20, 45, 40, minus 40. Sorry. in the modulus half of minus 30. So we are going to get it as a in the modulus minus 15. So which is equals to 15 square units is the area of the triangle. Okay? Is it clear to you? Huh? Can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me? Board is visible to
Yes,
you?
sir.
Okay. Next question is very interesting because in the straight lines also you have learned that one last year. I'm going to ask the question to you if you do remember that the 3 points are given to you. Point A is equals to A comma B plus C and point B is equals to B comma C plus A and point C is equals to C comma A plus B. So the question is given to you to show these are collinear. Collinear, to prove these are collinear, what to do? The determinant of the
The
matrix
area of
obtained by
triangle is equal to 0.
0. You have to 0 if it is. So area of triangle ABC, let us write here. Area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC is equals to half into the first coordinates A, B, C. Second, B plus C, C plus A plus B. Here 1, 1, 1. What to do? Can anyone say? Normally expand mark. It's a foolish task. Here, if you observe properly, ये add कर लिया तो इधर a plus b plus c, इधर a plus b plus c, इधर a plus b plus c आएगा. So tends to c1 plus c, c1 and c2 add कर. So we are going to here a plus b plus c, here b plus c plus a, here c plus a plus b. So here b plus c plus a plus b, and here 1, 1, 1, 1. So which is equals to half into a plus b plus c, take the common outside. So when you have 1, 1, 1, b plus c plus a plus b, 1, 1, 1. Two columns are identical. Since C1 and C3 are identical, the determinant of this matrix will be equals to 0. Using the properties we are solving. So therefore, after completion of this, you have to write, since the area is 0, you have to write, since area of triangle, since area of triangle ABC is equals to 0, A comma B comma C are collinear. Okay. My question is a little bit extending to you. Can anyone tell me what is the equation of the light passing through these three parts? Equation of a light. Just by observation, you can say. Equation of a line. In straight lines, last year I have explained to you that also. When the points are given to you, passing through the 2 points if it is given also, directly not. Directly you can give the equation by the observation. Think we are having the next coming questions fourth and find the equation of a line joining these two using the determinants is also there. So you have to find out the equation of a line by joining these 2 points if it is given to you. Equation of a line is asking to you, but directly you can find out. No need of just solving the question. Anyone? Do you remember Devya and Malika? This is X, this is Y. This is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. The relationship between the x and y is itself the equation of a line. Come on, try. What relation you are having to x and y? Can you hear me?
Sir, y is equal to
Yes,
mx
sir.
plus c.
Y is equals to
Mx plus c.
that is y is equals to mx plus c is the equation of a line passing through the with the y-intercept c at a slope m. I am asking the equation of a line. These three are collinear. ये collinear है. And collinear is nothing but one line will pass through that one. What is the equation of that line? Okay, Malika, you tried. You still no. Just you try to add these two. In this x plus y, what do you get? A plus b plus c. In this also x plus y, what do you get? A plus b plus c. In this also x plus y, what do you get? A plus b plus c. So therefore, equation of a line passing through these 3 points is x plus y is equals to a plus b plus c. If you find out also, you are going to get the equation like this. Last year I told you, just by observation, you can find out the equation of a line passing through the given point. Suppose if I have given to you 1 comma 5, 2 comma 10. What is the equation of a line passing through these 2 points? Observation. दोनों का रिलेशन देखो सेम करा होता है. ये y is equals to 5 into x. That's all. That is the equation of a line. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But always you are not supposed to. This can be used for the competitive exams. अब जेई में ऐसा क्वेश्चंस रहता है तो some questions may be like this you can use. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if you see the third question in this, find the value of the k if the area of the triangle is 4 square units. It is given to you. 4 square units already it is given and value of the k is asking you to find it. So in this situation, what to do here? First question is given to you. K comma 0, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 2. This is A you consider, this is B you consider. Area of triangle ABC is equals to 4 square units is given to you. 4 square units. So area of the triangle is half into determinant of the A4 0 0 0 2 1 1 1. This is equals to 4. And modulus should be taken into consideration. So expanding along the I'm going to expand along the second column. Determinant 2 into this is third row, second column. So 3 plus 1 will become plus 1. Plus 1 we are going to. And this row and column x delete karo. K minus 4 we are going to. K minus 4. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled is equals to 4. So modulus of K minus 4 is equals to 4. That means K minus 4 can be equals to 4 or K minus 4 is equals to minus 4 also. 2 modulus. Okay. Whenever you are taking modulus, area of the triangle means again modulus should be the absolute value should be taken into consideration. So k is equals to in this 8 you are going to get or k is equals to here 0 we are going to get. Two situations may the area of the triangle we are going to get as a 4 only. Can you solve this question? to you in the same way? Okay. Let us move to the fourth question. Finding the equation. The question is asking you to find the equation of a line passing through the 2 points. The fourth question. So what is the question given here? Determine the line passing through these 2 points. Can you say the line passing through these 2 points without calculation? इसको ये कंसीडर करो, इसको बी कंसीडर करो.
So y is equal to 2x.
Y is equals to 2x. That's all. We'll get y is equal to 2x by doing also. Let us see. But how to do as using
Sir,
the
sir.
determinants?
Sir, I didn't understand the question, sir. Find the equation of the line join. I didn't understand, sir.
ये दोनों लाइंस को ज्वाइन होने वाला इक्वेशन. Find the equation of the line joining these 2 points. Is the question.
Okay, sir. Okay,
using
sir.
determinants. So using determinants means actually whenever you take here like this, 1 comma 2 is a point present here approximately here, and 3 comma 6 is a point approximately present. This line is asking you to find using the determinants. But using the determinants to find out one more point, let us consider on this line. Let some point I am considering as a some other point C. Let C x comma y on AB. On line AB. Any point. Therefore, what you get? 3 are collinear. Therefore, A comma B comma C are collinear. So, if they are collinear, area of triangle ABC is equals to 0. Area of the triangle formula, what you will get? 1 by 2 into 3 points are there now. 1, 3, x. और x पहले लेके x1 3 लिख सकते हैं. x1 3, y2 6, 1 1 1 is equals to 0. Did you get my point? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So next
Yes,
what?
sir.
Next what to do? Expand along the third column, or any column you can use. Either first column you can use, so first row you can use. That is up to your choice. So half into x into first row use कर रहा हूँ. 2 minus 6 minus y into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. ये 1 by 2 उधर लेके जाओ. What do you get here? 2x minus 12 minus y plus 6 is equals to 0. So we are going to get 2x minus y, 2x, wait, sorry, either what I did here. 2 minus 6 na, minus 4, minus 4x, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2y plus 0 is equals to 0. So we are going to get, if you take the 2x minus y is equals to 0, y is equals to 2x, y is equal to 2x आया. But इतना करने का जरूरत नहीं. Observation. See, already Malika said that y is equal to 2x. Just by observation, how can you say ये इससे डबल है, ये भी इससे डबल है, तो ये भी इससे डबल होगा. That's why y is equal to 2x. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Minimum common sense. Second problem is also the same way. Can you tell me the before without calculation? 3 comma 1, 9 comma 3. Equation, what do you get passing through these 2 points?
Sir, x equal to 3y.
x equal to 3y. आप ऐसे ही same problem करना. But in this chapter, whenever you are doing, you need to do like this. And fifth question is given to you. If the area of the triangle is 35 square units, then 3 points are given. Find the value of it that you can find. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
This is about the area of the triangle using the determinants concept.